Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix CMD error 740 on your Windows 10, 11 or 8 or any other Windows, whichever you are using. If you are seeing the CMD error 740, then I will show you how to fix this issue. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix CMD error 740 on your Windows PC, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. You have to just click on this search menu, then type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt, then you have to click on run as administrator. If you not run as administrator, you directly click on this command prompt, then you can face this type of issues. So better you have to just right click on this, then click on run as administrator. Then you will not see that 740 error on your command prompt. That's it guys. So this way you can fix CMD error 740 on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.